welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headline. 85.54% students pass out 12. Karen Quadros secures 95% and Loren Alvares from Panaji gets 94.50% in science. Shamin Lobo from Panaji 94% in arts. Gabriellle Pereira from Porvorim 93.66% in commerce. Goa government set for third e-auction of ore stacked on jetties, almost 6 lakh tons to be auctioned on Monday. Auction of 60 lots stacked at MPT, Amona and Kotambi. Does Panchayat poll maintain secrecy of a vote? Ballot paper voting counterfoil signature puts voters in dilemma. Secrecy left at officers' mercy. Watch report. And 7 Jawans killed in Naxalites attack in Gadchiroli, 2 injured. Landmines blast claims lives. Naxal attacks kill almost 50 Security Council in 5 years at Gadchiroli. Now news in detail. Karen Quadros from Panaji secured 95% in science while Loren Alvares secured 94.50%. Shamin Lobo from Panaji secured 94% in arts while Gabriellle Pereira from Porvorim scored 93.66% in commerce. 12 standard results were declared by Goa Board of Education on Sunday. The overall passing percentage this year is 85.54%. Goa Board is expected to declare SSC result by 22nd May.
Okay, I feel very happy about my marks of standard 12. I would like to thank my parents for always supporting me and encouraging me to do well. I wish to be an electronics engineer. I will be appearing for BITS as well as JEE Advanced.
Yeah, I'm very happy that she has finally got these good marks. She's always been a good student throughout her academic career. So this is good that she has got such high marks.
First, I'd like to thank Almighty God, my grandparents for always their blessings, my parents, also the teaching and non-teaching staff of Don Bosco, and most especially my principal, Father Savio Gomes. I want to do a BA in economics and maybe statistics if I get into St. Xavier's, and then do an MBA in marketing.
Oh, I'm a proud father today. What else can I say? Fantastic achievement from my daughter. Absolutely.
Just being around while she's studying, being there for her, and cooking what she likes to eat.
I'm greatly overjoyed to see my results. I was very happy, and I'm thankful to God that my hard work has paid off. I'm grateful to my parents, my teachers, and first of all to God, who has blessed me. And I would like to do my doctorate in economics and history.
The passing percentage this year is 85.54%. This year too, girls have outshined the boys by securing highest grades in HSSC examination. For boys, passing percentage is 82.55% and for girls it is 88.55%. Out of 11,720 students, total 10,025 have passed the exams.
The pass percentage of these students is 85.54. I think it has broken a record of sorts.
Goa Board is expected to declare SSC results by 22nd May. Pupils from Panaji and Damodar High Secondary from Madgaon have registered 100% passing.
Karen Quadros from Panaji has secured 95% in science stream and Loren Alvares has secured 94.50% in science stream. These are not toppers declared by Goa Board but students with high percentage who contacted Prudent.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa government is all set for third e-auctioning of ore on Monday, 12th May. Around 6 lakh tons of ore would be auctioned on 60 lots. Ore majorly stacked at MPT, Amona and Kotambi jetties. E-auctioning were held on 17 February and 5th March earlier. Altogether, government raised nearly 218 crore rupees through 2 e-auctions held earlier.
Government will e-auction more than 6 lakhs million tons of ore on 12th May. This is the third e-auction. It will be held for 60 lots. Out of 6 lakh tons being auctioned, fines constitute a major portion of 5,27,304 tons and 84,057 tons are lumps. Ore stacked at MPT, Amona, Kotambi, Tikshe, Vagus and other jetties will be e-auctioned. This is the breakup of e-auctioning to be held on 12th May. 6 slots of timings are set for price and quantity bidding. First bidding will begin at 10 am to 11 am for 3,70,000 tons of ore in 10 lots. Second price cum quantity bidding from 11:30 am to 12:30 pm for 1,20,000 tons in 8 lots. Third bidding from 1 pm to 2 pm for 37,682 tons in 13 lots. Fourth bidding from 2:15 to 3:15 pm for 26,829 tons in 10 lots. Fifth price cum quantity bidding from 3:30 pm to 4:30 pm for 23,621 tons in 10 lots. Sixth price cum quantity bidding from 4:45 to 5:45 pm for 34,077 tons in 9 lots. Altogether, 6,12,209 tons will be e-auctioned in 60 lots. This is the first e-auction post Supreme Court's order to resume mining in Goa with a cap of 20 million tons per annum. Government had conducted first e-auction on 17th February, through which State Exchequer raised 94 crore rupees by e-auctioning 5.36 lakhs tons of iron ore. In the second e-auction held on 5th March, government raises around 124 crores by e-auctioning 12,41,393 tons. Bureau Report, Prudent.
7 Jawans were killed in an ambush with Naxalites in Gadchiroli, Maharashtra. Naxalites and Jawans clashed at around 9:45 on Sunday morning. 2 injured Jawans were shifted to Nagpur Hospital. The Jawans who lost their lives were C-60 members specially trained against to combat Naxalites. Naxalites blew up the vehicles of these Jawans through landmines blasting when soldiers were on their routine trail. Around 50 Jawans have lost their lives in Gadchiroli in the last 5 years.
7 policemen were killed and 2 others injured when Naxals carried out a landmine blast in Maharashtra's Gadchiroli district on Sunday. The incident occurred at 9:40 am when the policemen were moving for an operational task in the forest between Pavi Muranda and Murmuri villages in Chamorshi taluka of the district. Officials said that the slain security personnel belonged to the specialized C-60 Anti-Naxal Operations Force of Maharashtra, and the blast took place when their vehicle was moving along the Murmuri-Chamuri axis of the district. The injured were airlifted to Nagpur while additional reinforcements of security personnel was sent. After the landmine blast, there was an exchange of fire between the police and Maoists. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.